So these are the egg-shaped molds I'm going to be using. They're just made out of silicone. And I'm also going to try these. I'm going to start by melting my chocolate chips in the microwave, and then I'll brush a really thin layer of the chocolate over these molds. Let that sit in the refrigerator. I rest the molds on this small cookie sheet so that I can take it in and out of the refrigerator easily. Put a spoonful of chocolate into each mold and then spread it up the sides with the silicone brush. Make sure you take the chocolate all the way to the top of the mold. Now we'll put this in the fridge for 5 minutes and then repeat the process. Okay, let's pop these in the fridge. Time for the second layer for this batch, and now back in the fridge. I think this last layer I'm going to let sit in the fridge for probably 10 minutes. I thought I was going to do 3 layers, but I think these will only need 2. I've never tried this before, so I'm not exactly sure how it's going to turn out, but my thought process is I can melt some of this white chocolate, add some food coloring, and be able to decorate those eggs with colored chocolate. Let's see if it works. So I've put a piping tip into the Ziploc baggie. I've got the baggie here in this cup to hold it steady. Once these are all set up, they just pop out of this mold. Oh, I think that turned out really cute. And I'm just gonna sit them here on some parchment. Okay, I've got some gumballs, jelly beans, some spring Sour Patch Kids, and some spring M&Ms, and I'm gonna put them inside these chocolate eggs. I'm gonna warm up the pan here on my stovetop and then smooth the edges of one of the eggs. Fill it up with whatever candy I want. And then go take the other side and smooth the edges. And then gently press them together and hold, and then smooth it around with my fingers. And there are your finished chocolate candy-filled Easter eggs. I also think these would look really cute as a centerpiece.